Hello, my fellow heathens. This is Star with your gambling heathens. We are here at Harrah's Action Casino in Maricopa, Arizona, just outside Phoenix. And I am getting ready to play some Corridas de Toros, Lightning Dollar Link. Those are our progressives that we're going for. We're going to hit the major today. I feel it. I do. All right. I've got $100 in the machine. And we're going to do, we're on one set. We're going to do dollar bets. So let's go. Come on. We need 6 of those. Just like any other link. Come on, 666. We want those 6 capes, please. And thank you, Mr. Bull. One more. Come on. You can do it. You know you want a wakey. Come out and play with me. Show up and show off. Oh, you know what? I don't have my show up meter on. Show off meter was not on. I'm not quite awake yet. Come on, Mr. Bull. Oh, double mini. That would be nice. Come on, Mr. Bully. Bully, bull. You can do it. Oh, one more? Yes! Woohoo! All right, free games. Let's do it. Let's go. 6 games. Okay, 3 triggers. Oh, you gotta line it up, baby. Line it up. No dead spins. There you go. Oh, nice. Come on. Decent so far. Not bad. Thank you, Mr. Bull. Let's keep that up. Line it up. Come on. Line it. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Bully Bull. Come on, line it up. Oh, yes. Thank you for showing up. He's awake this morning. Let's go. Come on, one more game. Let's get the bonus and the bonus. Finish it off strong. That's okay. It's okay. We got our money back. More room to play. Okay. Come on, 2 more. Oh, we need 6. Come on, show up and show off. Let everybody know you're here. You can do it. That's a start. Look at him blowing steam out his nose like that. Come on, 2. Okay. Not a win, but we'll take it. Don't waste those wilds. Come on. Let's keep this hot streak up. Come on, we want capes. We want 6 of those capes. 4 more. Come on, 6. Let's do it. Come on, Mr. Toro. Give us some more fun. I want to play with you. Show up and show off. Let all these machines know you're here. Come on, one more. Yes! Woohoo! All right. Just like any hold and spin, we need to land one each time. Come on. There we go. Let's keep that up. There we go. Come on. Come on, land one. There we go. Let's go. I saw that double mini flying around. Hey, I won't complain if you want to give me the grand instead. Come on. Oh, no, you got to land one. We got to land one right here. Staying alive. That's okay. Let's see how we did. Fast forward. We are winners. We're all winners. Every one of you guys are winners. Winners for watching us. We do appreciate that. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Really helps us out, and you get to keep seeing the content we put out. Come on, Mr. Bull. Let's keep this up. Come on, Mr. Bully Bull. We need 3 of those. Come on. Mixy matchy. Come on, let's get another bonus. I am not complaining. I appreciate what you give me. I just love seeing those bonuses. They make me so happy. Mixy matchy to the 10th degree. Come on. One more. Just one more. Come on, two more. Nope. It was right there too. Come on. How's everybody doing today? Are we having a good day? Attitude is all about making your day good. I try and wake up and say it's going to be a good day every day. Not always easy, I understand that. I have some health issues that makes it hard sometimes, but you just got to try. Trying is all we can do in life, right? Ooh, what'd you give me? Was that really worth all that? Come on now, you can do better. 2 more. Come on, Mr. Bull. You need to show up and show off for all these fine people. They want to hear it too. There we go. Let's go. All right, let's do it. Come on. Let's land one every time. Oh, no. Come on, let's land one. Just one. It doesn't have to be a big one. Staying alive. There we go. Thank you. I do appreciate you. Nice. Come on. Keep it up. Oh, no. One every time, please. Come on, land one. Small one, big one, I don't care. But we need to stay alive. There you go. There you go. Oh, nice. 3 spots. Let's do it. Come on. No. One ball. Just one ball. They don't even have to be big balls. Because we really need to stay alive. Alrighty. We need to get some music changed now. Here we go. Come on. One ball. Just one ball. One at a time. Woo, staying alive. Keep me alive, baby. Alright. I'm not complaining, though. That was a good one. See how we did. Oh, very nice. That was fun. We gotta enjoy the coin show for a minute. I love it. Thank you. Let's keep having fun, Mr. Bully Bull. That's the way we do it. Come on, 3 more. No. So we are having a wonderful time here in Maricopa. The Harrah's Casino here is beautiful. So I really do recommend if you're in the Phoenix area, come give it a check out. It's a lot of fun. All right. I do gotta say, one more. You are amazing, Mr. Corritos de Doros. Mr. Corritos de Doros, let's go. Come on, one. Oh, I saw that double minor. I saw that. Come on. One, one, one. Oh, don't do that to me. Don't do this. Keep me alive. Keep me playing. Keep me happy. There. Oh, double mini. Nice. That's a $10 mini, so that's 20 bucks right there. Let's keep it up. Come on. One ball. Just one ball. It's all it takes. Ah, there we go. One ball at a time. We're changing the world, at least my world. Let's keep it up. Ah, nice. Thank you. Come on. Come on. I believe in you. You can do it for me. Come on. One ball. One ball. Oh, you got it. Keep me in the game, please, and thank you so much. Ah, that's okay. This was amazing. Wow, what a run. What a run. Let's keep it up. Nice. Very nice. We get another coin show. I love it. I love it. Whew. All right, let's keep it up, Mr. Bull. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Come on, let's do it. Keep showing off. Keep letting the other machines know you're here, you're loud, and you're proud. That's it, Mr. Bully Bull. I know you act all tough and mean, but you want to give me 4 more. Nope. You want to keep giving me bonuses. Come on. All right. Huff and puff all you want to, Mr. Bull. I love you. Come on. Let's do it again. Let's play. Come on. Free games. Hold and spin. I'm not picky. 3 more. Come on. All right, let's keep this game going. Oh, don't waste yourself right there all by yourself. You need to line it up. Come on. Come on. No dead spins. Come on, 3 more. 2 more. Come on. Let's play the game. Have fun with it. You know what? Let me see what it does. I know we're having an amazing time on this, but let me just see what I'm comfortable with here. So, there we go. Okay, $2 bets. And we won't go below our initial investment, but I think he wants to come out and play some more. There you go. Come on. Let's have some more fun. I really like these dollar link games. They are a lot of fun and so much potential with all those double and triples that you can get on the progressives. All right, let's see what we can do. Let's entertain these people. Let's entertain them. Show me what you got. All right, come on. Come on. You can do it. Oh, don't stand out there by yourself. Come on. Oh, that's pretty. Come on. Show up and show off. Keep it up. Don't give me any dead spins. We got like 8 spins left. Come on, keep playing with me. I like playing with you. You're a lot of fun. Oh no! Oh, oh my God, that is so pretty and so painful at the same time. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. We just needed 3 more friends. 3 more friends. I need 6 of them, buddy. There we go. That's a little something. Aw, all your huffing and puffing. Thank you. Come on, you got 5 more spins to keep me in the game. 5 more spins to keep me in the game. That was a big old tease. Oh, all right. You want to keep me in the game, huh? Do you have another bonus coming for me? 3 more. Come on, buddy. You need to make a... There you go. Good job. Thank you. Yeah, there you go. Let's do it. All right. Come on. Line it up. Line it up, baby. There you go. Okay. You are a lot of fun. I have to say that. Just keep lining it up for me. Just keep lining it up for me. Come on. Let's get some of those red tapes flying. Red tape's flying. Okay. We needed 1 more to re-trigger. Come on, line it up. There you go. Again with the 2. Come on, tapes. I see them flying. Oh, yes! Woohoo! Bonus in the bonus, baby. Let's go. Let's do it. Come on, though. Land me something. 1 at a time is fine. Just smack something down for me. You got to keep me alive here, please. And thank you. That's okay, because that is a $60 ball right there. Remember, this is 2 cents, so there we go. Pretty coin show. All right. Nice. Oh, come on, 1 more spin. Oh, 2 more. That was a $100 miner right there. I am not complaining though. So look, we just doubled up our money. We're gonna do 1 more spin. Back it up. All right, can you give me enough for another one? I think you do. Oh, you did. You want me to stick around a little bit longer, don't you? Come on. All right. All right. Come on, 4 more. Okay, 2 more spins. And then we're taking our double up. All right, thank you so much, Mr. Corrida de Toros. I had a lot of fun. We doubled up our money, so I am going to take that and run as fast as I can. Thank you guys again so much for tuning in. We do appreciate it. Remember to hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and subscribe. If you want to get notified every time we drop a new video, please hit that notification bell. Remember, all of that is free to you. It doesn't cost you anything, and it only helps us out. You guys have a wonderful day. Make it the day you want it to be. This is Star, and I am out.